Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Raspberry Pi cases with the Argon Neo 5. This sleek case promises to keep your Raspberry Pi 5 cool while offering easy access to ports and a stylish design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are important, and the Argon Neo 5 doesn't disappoint. The matte black finish, scarlet accents, and white text give it a distinct 1980s vibe. It's like a throwback to the era of neon lights and synthpop but in a modern package. The construction of the Argon Neo 5 is solid. It's a three-part case with a plastic base and two aluminum pieces for cooling. Heat cooling system features passive fins and a 30mm PWM fan, which does a fantastic job of keeping the Raspberry Pi 5's temperature in check, even under overclocking. Assembling the case is straightforward, although routing the fan cable can be a bit tricky. But once everything is in place, you'll appreciate the attention to detail. The lid slides on with a satisfying clunk, and there are optional screws for added security. Now, let's talk about port access. The Argon Neo 5 provides easy access to most ports, including GPIO, micro HDMI, USB-C, and Ethernet. However, accessing the camera, display and PCIe connectors can be a bit cumbersome due to the design of the case. Thermal performance is where the Argon Neo 5 shines. With the case closed, the Raspberry Pi 5's temperature stays impressively low, even under stress. And even when overclocked, the case does an excellent job of dissipating heat without becoming too noisy. Wi-Fi performance is another area where the Argon Neo 5 excels. Unlike some other cases we've tested, the Neo 5 doesn't seem to have a significant impact on Wi-Fi speeds. Which is great news for those who rely on wireless connectivity. So, what's the verdict? The Argon Neo 5 may not have the most modern design, and accessing certain ports can be a bit finicky. But when it comes to cooling performance and overall build quality, it's hard to beat. If you're in the market for a Raspberry Pi 5 case that combines style and functionality, the Argon Neo 5 is worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.